me welcome on board Kunal Nooresh back on the show on that note. Kunal, firstly, a word on the index and this slip that you're seeing. Anything to worry or anything alarming here, you think?
No, not really. I think we are just going through a range bit of consolidation. We mentioned 20 to 500 as a psychological resistance, so that's playing its part for the Nifty. But I believe that the uptrend is quite strong for the indices. We've managed to break past about key resistances. The sector churn is also quite strong. So I think in that aspect, I would expect this uptrend to continue.
Okay, and now to your Chartbuster, which we're already seeing shining bright there, Sun TV.
Well, yes, absolutely. Yeah, Aisha. So I think it's a very interesting chart. The stock in the last 3 odd months has corrected from 730 levels to sub 600. So as you can see, 730 was the high the stock had made in December 2023, and then from there the stock fell to a 15 to 17% correction, sub 600 levels. Now, interestingly, in the three lows the stock had made, for itself in this corrective phase, all the three lows have met with a higher lows in terms of RSI. So this is what we call as a classical triple RSI divergence, where the prices keep on making fresh swing lows, but the RSI makes a higher low for itself. Now that the RSI has confirmed the breakout of the previous swing high, I believe that the charts for Sun TV should go into a strong revival as well as a bounce from current levels. This level also coincides with the 200 moving average for Sun TV, which means that the classic mean reversion has also completed for the stock. So I think it's a very good risk reward to enter the stock at current levels. I would expect that in this leg of uptrend, the stock should scale past back again about that 700 level. So hopefully a target of 700 plus in the next 1 to 2 months for Sun TV.
All right, there you have it. That's the view on Sun TV. Nooresh is also joining in with his Chartbuster idea. And Nooresh, what's looking good?
So that's the chart which stock which I recommended in the morning, Tata Chemicals. The stock has already moved up quite a bit, but any dip going forward remains a buy. If you look at the last 1 year, it has made multiple bottoms around 930 to 940, around 6 bottoms around that area roughly. And in the interim high for the last 2 bottoms was closer to 990, so a double bottom reversal done. And has bounced sharply. Yesterday also was good volumes, today also was good volumes. Any dips back to 1050 to 1020 remain a buy. Initially, I would expect a retest of that 1130, 1140 high. And if that crosses, could go much more higher. So buy on dips with a stop loss at 980.
All right, watch out for Tata Chemicals. It's a buy on dips opportunity. And let's get in those individual recommendations as well. Kunal, what's looking good?
Hindustan Copper is something which I've been bullish on. Looks very attractive. So the stock is consolidating for last 2 days. But I think at 287.88 levels, looks to be a very good buy. Targets of 320, stop loss at 277. And GAIL is the other stock which have been recommending at 180.85 levels. It's now about the 190 mark. Looks attractive for a target of at least 204 from current levels. So stop loss could be trailed to 190 with Saristaba and GAIL even at current levels.
Thanks for that. Let's get in Nooresh's top recommendations going as well. Nooresh, what are you tracking today?
So first is a buy on NMDC, which has been trending over the long term as well as in the short term. Stop loss at 235, target price of 260. Second is a buy on IndusInd Bank, showing the latest strength over the last few sessions. Could break out about 1540 levels. Stop loss at 1500, target price of 1600.
Okay, time for a quick break.